It's 2025 and you still can't build your own website? Let's say you've got an idea for a site, or you want to test out a startup concept, but you open up VS Code, stare at the blinky cursor and go, where the hell do I even start? Well, don't worry, you're not alone. I've been there way too many times, but I came across something recently that honestly made me just sit back in my chair and say, whoa, listen to this. It's a new feature powered by Blackbox. But basically, you describe what you want your site to do, how you want it to feel, what tech stack you want it built on, React, Angular, Vue, whatever you vibe with, and it just builds it. I'm not talking about one of those cheesy drag and drop template websites. No, I mean it writes the real code. Full logic, clean structure, and it lays out everything step by step so you can actually see what's happening under the hood. And get this, if there's something you want to change, like make this button blue or switch this layout to a grid, you don't even have to dig in through the CSS or fiddle with classes. You just say it. Like you're talking to a dev buddy sitting next to you, and it makes the change instantly. It's like having a junior dev and its senior dev rolled into one, minus the back and forth stack messages. And I know what you might be thinking. Cool, but that doesn't mean I'm not really learning. But here's the thing, this isn't about skipping the learning process. It's about removing the friction at the beginning. It helps you move from I have this idea to, oh wow, this is actually real, way faster. Honestly, tools like this are changing the game. Not just for devs, but for founders, indie hackers, designers, marketers, anyone who wants to bring something to life on the internet. So yeah, no more blank screens, no more I'll start next weekend. Just describe it, build it, and tweak as you go.